Today, since it's cold outside, I decided to make me a hamburger soup, y'all. So today I will be making my hamburger soup. I'm using about a pound of hamburger. And what I do, I put it in water and let it steam a little bit, let my hamburger steam a little bit, and then I start frying. I want to make sure everything cook out of my hamburger, and then I pour the water from it, and then I fry my hamburger. Okay, now my hamburger is boiling. Y'all comment below and let me know, do you boil your hamburger before you fry it? Now that it boiled, I'm going to drain all this water from it, and then I'm going to begin to fry my hamburger. Now that I'm draining my hamburger, I'm going to put it in my pot, and now I will brown my hamburger, or either in the frying pan. I'll probably put it in the frying pan and go and let it brown. Now I'm going to add some vegetable oil to my hamburger because it's in the frying pan. And now I'm going to add some oil, just a little bit, so it will fry it and won't burn. Okay. Alright, now what I do, I'll just let this brown, and it'll be ready for my soup, y'all. Oh, this is going to be delicious, y'all. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. Alright, now, so we're going to let this in a cold day, y'all. Y'all can eat a peanut butter sandwich, cheese, toast, crackers, anything with soup. And you can freeze soup, y'all, and pull it back out and eat it anytime you want to. Comment below. Let me know if y'all love y'all soup in the wintertime. Chicken soup, hamburger soup, vegetable soup. I haven't tried a vegetable soup yet. Maybe I need to do a vegetable soup for y'all. But right now, we're going to do this hamburger soup. I already did a chicken soup, so we're doing the hamburger soup today. Alright, we're going to let that brown, and we'll be back in a little. Now that my hamburger is fried, I'm ready to drain it. Okay, now that my hamburger drained it, I will make sure all the grease is out, because I don't want to grease all that grease in my soup. So I drained my hamburger, and now I'm ready to add the vegetable, y'all. Hey, we'll have a soup soon. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my diced tomatoes. So I'm going to put them in there, and I'm going to save my juice with that. And I'm going to put them in there. Then I'm going to put my lima bean. My little pan trying to get in there. Hold on. My lima bean. Y'all love beans. Comment below if you love beans. I love beans. Okay, I drained these peas. So we got some peas we can put in there. And I'm going to put it on low heat. So we got peas. We got mixed vegetables. That's what I'm giving them green, them carrots in there. And also I got a can of baked beans. Oh, these are vegetables, y'all. I'm sorry. Mixed vegetables. The sweet peas. Okay, so we got all our vegetables in here. And what I will do, I'll stir it up and let it cook slowly. Y'all see the pretty colors in there? Let me know, y'all, how y'all like to make y'all soup. Or do you make soup? Let me know. Comment below and let me know, do you make soup anytime during the year? I made some, y'all. It won't even cold. So, alright, this is going to simmer a little bit down. I'm going to let it boil down a little bit. And, y'all, it will be my soup. We'll come in and add a little seasoning to it. And then that will be our soup. Alright, y'all. It's get ready to boil. So, I'm going to add a little salt. Just a little. Don't want too much salt. And I'm going to add ketchup. Oops. Uh-oh. Y'all dropped my... Alright. This is organic. It's ketchup. Alright. Well, we still can put it in there. I don't think nobody knows. Y'all, but the funniest thing, my daughter, she don't eat, she won't eat vegetables, y'all. She won't eat vegetables, but she'll eat my soup. Y'all just saw the vegetables I put in here. But she'll eat my soup, though. I thought that was so strange. But she will not eat vegetables like peas and corn by itself. but she'll eat it in my soup. So I just say, Donna, girl, I cooked some soup today. And she be saying, yummy, yummy, because she wants some of it. Y'all, well, this is my soup. I'm going to let it simmer down a little bit, but this is my soup. Every mouthful, you'll get your beans in it. You'll get your vegetables. Look at them vegetables in there. And you'll get your hamburgers in. So this is my soup I made today. So I'm going to let it simmer down a little bit. Cut the heat off and let it stay on the heat a little bit and just let it simmer down. So y'all, this is a pot of soup on a cold November day. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hey, give me a thumbs up for a like. And don't forget to live, laugh, and just be happy. And y'all be full off of this soup. Have a great day. Bye-bye.